Are you worried and lost? Where did the money go? Worry no more. I will show you where the money went and how to get it. The money is now online to reach it. You need to learn a few new and simple skills. Your feelings are timely and a realistic response to what is happening in the world today. The world has changed dramatically since the COVID-19 pandemic. Life and the world we knew before the pandemic has been turned upside down. Congratulations for finding this video. By watching this video to the end, you will discover how to make money online in the new world. COVID caused a major shift of money from the physical world to the digital world. COVID changed many things. It changed how we work and the way we live. COVID eroded incomes and disrupted work forever. Our familiar and comfortable world started disappearing quickly. Many traditional jobs disappeared overnight. The good news is, necessity is the mother of invention. During those long COVID days and of isolation, people got bored and restless at home. People got tired of watching TV and scrolling for entertainment without work and money. People were forced to think of new ways of making money. People started searching online how to make money from home. Some people discovered how to work from home. Universities discovered how to teach students online at home. New work activities and incomes emerged in the new digital world. The COVID threat quickly transformed to one of the greatest opportunities in history. The pandemic accelerated digital transformation across all industries. Businesses and individuals were forced to adapt quickly or risk being left behind. It was a major exodus. The digital shift created new opportunities for those willing to learn and embrace change. The impact of the digital shift on the education industry was massive. The digital education industry exploded. This created a high demand for online education, mentors, and coaches. How to make money online is now a highly demanded education program. To make money online, a learner needs new tools and skills. The education program is digital, simple, and step-by-step lessons and modules. The digital lessons are guided by a group of successful digital mentors and coaches. Learners move at their own pace. A learner is able to attend the lessons from anywhere in the world and at any time, at the learner's convenience. Inside the program, a learner is provided with digital tools and digital products to start a real digital business and make money. The digital education program is on offer at $900 plus $81 administration fee. The total price for the digital education program is therefore $981. This is a valuable investment in yourself. It will change your life forever. Many successful learners are making $10,000 a month. By watching this video until now, I believe this information is for you. Work and money is now digital. Your success story is waiting to be written. How much money do you want to make per month? Let's begin this exciting journey together. For more free information about how to make money online using the digital education program blueprint, please comment education and I will send you a link. Thank you for watching. Like the video.